You will be thinking how the heck I'm still in the grade 2. Or can I say the truth? I got violation, man. I will show you this. Oops, now here. Bro, what the hell? Oh my god. Just look at it. Okay, at least I can play this Sunday. What actually happened is a plane came very close towards me. So do you know what I did actually to survive that guy? I gave the throttle full. I couldn't stop and I entered the runway without permission. What dumb idiot. I'm being dumb. Nah. Let's go to those who know. Nah. Okay. This is the Janet Gate. You know where it is, right? This is the world's longest runway ever made. The Area 51. Okay. I'm not gonna find aliens here. I'm gonna fly some plane. Into couple buildings in Manhattan. Nah. I'm not gonna do that. First of all, there's no buildings in Infinite Flight. Okay, I was cooked instantly by saying that. Okay, I will. How in the world it's saying that this is a small airport? Are you blind, right? Okay, it has very low. You know this, right? Should I explain? Just another non-existing terminal. Okay, no time to waste. What did I just now said? No time to waste around. What? Hey. I got confused. Okay. Let's use this guy. No, we don't need to use this. We are gonna fly with try to take off with 2 engines. Without overrunning the run. Wait a minute. 737 MAX 8 has 2 engines. What the hell? I mean, the Boeing's 747, the A340C, A380, even the C130. I never, most of the time, I never use it. C130s are actually cool because, okay, whatever this thing is. Okay, this is McDonnell Douglas MD-11F Aeroflot cargo. I don't know why. Do you know the other side of this Aeroflot? I don't know how to read. I don't know how to read. Hey. Okay, stop. Just telling some funny things. I'm telling to myself, not to you. Oh. I'm roasting myself at the moment. Asia Airlines. Nah. Okay. Now let's start off with the beautiful Airbus. Okay. I don't want to put that nonsense voice to my mouth. That's so bad. Okay, I'm going to do it again. 3, 2, 1. What the hell? Oh, no. A340 is a glitch plane. You have to check out my YouTube channel. Okay? You could see a crazy thing that where I take off an A340 without its landing gear, it was uncontrollable. What did I do? Just don't. Wait a second. Oh, okay. I exit this. I want to show you something. Now, this is the A340. This is the A330F. Okay. Alright. What the hell? The cockpit is exactly same except for the throttle levers and these things, the engine. I don't know. No wasting of time. No wasting of time. It's been long since I uploaded with my voice on. Voice what? Okay, I have to fix this. Let's start. I beg you. Let's start. Okay. We don't want to lose asymmetric thrust. So I'm parking this aircraft and I'm gonna off engine number 1 to balance, and I will not go like this. I will not drift on the runway. Ayo, chi. I'm not going. Okay, wait. Let's wait. Have some patience. Let's wait. Okay, I'm going crazy. Okay, just don't mind that. Don't mind that. When the heck this? Oh, I forgot this thing. Wow. Yeah. Good luck calibrating and nah. Okay, we are gonna put flaps when. Oh, okay, this is going well. Okay, flaps at 80 knots. Have opened this actually. I will shut around. Okay, this is very scary. Now, when I reach 80 knots, flaps to 2. Okay. Okay, now flaps to full. Yes. Is this the V1 speed? I don't know the V1 speed. Oh my, oh. Okay, this is... We took off the most underpowered plane in history. I mean, not the underpowered plane in history. If it was underpowered, it would be the Wright Flyer. Most people who are new to aviation, what the hell is a Wright Flyer? Okay, I will explain you what in the world is a Wright Flyer. It is the world's first aircraft, okay? Okay. No time to laugh. Okay, I'm gonna do with default weight, okay guys? No decreasing, increasing payload of the fat Airbus. Nah, it's not fat. Oh, which Airbus is this thing? A 20. It doesn't look like a 50. What am I even saying? Okay, people who are new to aviation are watching first time aviation. What is a 50 and what's a 30 and what's a... Okay, my cousin was asking this question. When Airbus planes land, I hear this. 100, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, recharge. It's not recharge, it's actually retard, okay? Okay, guys. Okay, now, same engines. Okay. Okay, I hate this. When you spawn, it's actually a 2 flaps. This is bad. Did the flaps even increase? I'm going crazy now. Wait. Okay. 10 hours late. Oh, no more doing dumb things like... okay. I'm going crazy. Whoa, why the power isn't 17? I've never noticed that. No way. Okay. I'm gonna do the same procedure as the A340. Now 3, 2, 1, calibrate. Full power. La. Please, I beg you. This thing won't even come. Oh my god, why it's so heavy? By this time I was having 80 knots on the A340, I think so. Okay, we are 80 knots, 2 flaps. Okay, 100 knots, full flaps. Flaps are coming down. Flap, flap, flap. Okay, just kidding. Hey, come down. It's very hard to understand if the flaps are working even in the... Does this flaps even? I don't know. IDK. Okay, V1. V1. Okay, this is very hard to control. Okay, guys. Guys, this is so hard to turn. Okay, if you had to give too much stress to the joysticks to turn this thing. Oh, this is so hard actually. A380 is very hard to fly, even with 2 engines. At least it took off here. Yeah. Now, let's go to the legend. Queen. I'm stuttering. What the hell? Okay. Queen of the skies. The smallest A320. Okay, smallest Boeing 747 in this simulator. Let's go this. Then I'm gonna take another aircraft also. Please don't die. Okay. It would be the 747, but the heavier edition. You know that, the SCA. Now engine number 1. Let's sleep. Engine number 1 and engine number 2. No, engine number 1. Okay, sometimes, okay, you know that YouTube trends where someone will say engine number 1 off, engine number 2. No. Engine number 1 off, engine number 3 off. Do you know this one? I think so most people use that sound. Engine start. Tidding. Okay, I don't know how to say that actually. Tidding. Engine fire. Cup. 5 minutes. Tidding. Engine fire cup load. Something like that. I don't know. If you know that, please comment yes. And just write how much videos you have been watching. I wanna know. I'm curious. Whoa, the 747 200 kind of going fast. The Airbus A380 was having 50 knots by this point, but we have 60 knots again because it's lighter. I'm gonna take the heavier thing. That's gonna be so scary. Oh, I forgot to give flaps. Okay. Oh God. Lift up. No. Okay. We need to... I don't know why the aircraft is vibrating like this. I don't know what's happening right now. I can't barely control it. I'm like with no hydraulics. Actually, it's a little bit wobbly. See. Oh, I have to control this. Utu paided. Now, this thing will be in the last, because this is the biggest thing here. We're gonna take the C-17 Globe Master 3. Okay, this is a no pro aircraft. What did I just now say? Okay, the aircraft you can access without pro access. Oh my God. Engine number 1 and 2 is dead. No, I'm in 3. Okay. Ding. Oh, I was sleeping at the moment. Wait, did the engine's dead? Okay, 3, 2, 1. That. Okay. We are. Okay, this thing. Oops. Okay. Ooh, okay, we are a little bit faster. We are close. Oh, okay, we are the same speed. I mean, close to the same speed of the Boeing 747-200. 200. Okay. Still the flaps are deep. I like the landing here. Okay. Bro, okay, this bottom camera is so bad, guys. Look, the tires. Oh no, oh no, oh no! This thing is too heavy. Oh I mean, I did not see that. My friends. Nah, nothing. Just written. This thing won't. Oh, this is very hard to climb right now. No. This thing is pitching the nose down by itself. Now I can't climb. I'm going down. I'm going up. I'm going down. Okay. It took off the first military aircraft. Now next is the Challenger. Nothing in Bombardier, right? Or nothing in Cessna, of course. No Cyrus, no. What's this? Oh, yeah, I don't know. Embraer doesn't have F-14. Oh, okay. Now we are gonna take this thing and this thing. Not things, I mean the aircraft. Are you kidding me right now? We have to download that? Nah. Just download fast, man. I don't want to waste your time. Okay. We are flying the first turboprop aircraft in his. No. I mean, the first turboprop aircraft in this video. No. Okay, this actually is satisfying. Okay. Wait a minute. Why the things looks kind of different? In the engines part, okay. Can you wait for a while? I'm gonna take a F-22 for example. What? Wait. Okay, the engines are like that. Remember that. A screenshot and remember that. Now let's go with the AC-130. It feels it's kind of big. Yeah, see? Why it feels so big? Okay, flaps. No need of that. Okay. What's missing here? There's something should be here. Not the flaps. Not the trim, not the brakes. Oh yeah, the speed brakes. What the hell? Hey yo, what was that? Outside the house. Should we open the ramp? Actually, this is so satisfying. Oh, ding. Engine number 1-5. Engine number 3-5. Okay, let's watch. Now time is fine. Okay, now, okay. 3, 2, 1. Watch this. Oh, that's so satisfying for some reason. I don't know. Okay. This looks so cool, guys. Okay. Okay, powerful. 3, 2, 1. Go. This, I wish there were the. Wait, the model guns. I wish that actually works in the flight simulator. How long this would take. Now we are about to reach the touchdown zone. Oh, this is way too low. We are at 50 knots. Whoa, this is harder than I thought. Oh yeah, flaps 100, flaps 100, flaps 100, flaps 100. Okay. Uh. Okay, I can't keep the center line for some. Oh, okay, by mistakenly using brakes. Don't be angry, Lockheed Martin fans. There is Lockheed Martin fans. Oh yeah, I think so. There must be. Boeing or Airbus? Boeing. I'm a Boeing fan. Okay, this yoke feels kind of off because I don't know. Wait a minute. There are only 2 thrust levers. Where are the other 2? Did it disappear because I don't know? There are only 2. What? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, can we do a loop with this? Nah, this is scary. Okay, we can't do that actually. I fell off the sky. Now let's take the bigger edition. Pew pew pew. Okay, I'm gonna take Indian Air Force. I think so. I have downloaded this cool aircraft. Oh god. This looks like the exact same thing but heavier, bigger, larger. There's still. Nah. Okay. Guys, if you did not put that. Wait. Why does this aircraft have more propeller blades? That's 6. I don't know. I'll check the difference. 6 blades, okay. Flaps. Oh my man. Okay, go. We're still at 0 knots. What's this? There's speed indicator freeze. Let's go to the temperature. Why would it freeze even? For example, your airspeed indicator froze at the touchdown time. I don't know what happens. Guys, we are at 80 knots, I think so. Yes, 90 knots. 3. Okay, leave. Okay, this is very hard to maintain center line with these engines like this. We have to lift up the air. No, this is. No. I'm good. No. What the heck? We are up in the air. Fire! No crash. Okay. I don't know what happened. I forgot to. This landing gear of the nose landing gear looks kind of. Oh my god! I mean, calibrate. Yeah. Okay, now let's see that again. Okay, that's actually satisfying, guys. Do you like the landing gears? Drop a like and subscribe. Okay. Now, what in the world is next? McDonald Douglas. Don't think that this is McDonald's. Whoops. Okay. We are going to use the DC-10 F for freighter. We are going to use the MD-11 passenger edition. Explosion recorded. Oh, I'm gonna remove. Oh, this is scary. Guys, okay, I'm gonna remove engine number 1 and engine number 3. Let's see. 9, 11. No way. It's 9 to. Why won't it become. Wait. Okay, we became. Okay, now you be thinking, what the hell is wrong? I told that you're going to use 2 engines instead of 3. I mean, this is a 3 engine aircraft, so we're going to use 1 engine. Sorry for that. Oh, this is so slow. Yeah, let's use this thing. Oh, wait. It went 50 knots right there. Okay, flaps. Okay, flaps. Okay, we have full flaps. Oh, I can see the end. I see the end. Lift up. No. I can't. Nah, this is way bad. No. Yeah, done. This thing is a complete failure. I do not even lift up. Just fell off the sky. At least we have to cross this thing. Nah. Okay, I wish the MD-11 has better performance than this. Oh, okay. Has different engines. So, let's hope the freaking best. Let's start. Go. Did we even start? La 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 la. Good. If you're an Influence player, when you downloaded Influence Play, I first downloaded it in 2022 December. I don't know. Not in my old device. In my new device, I downloaded last year. Nah, I'm getting cooked. Okay, done. Okay, 100 knots, full flaps, autopilot, time expire. Okay, no difference right there. Think so. Okay, flaps 50 degrees. Oh, this thing has better perform. Oh no! No, this has a what? You don't let. We are fine. I want this thing even climb. No, we are done. No. How the heck? I have to cross this. Okay, let's see. No. Heck. We literally crossed that. It's like jumping somehow. Yeah, that's it for two. Wait a minute, I forgot something. Let him go. I said let him. Wait. Oh, this cockpit is better than the 747-400. I don't understand which door we are opening. Alright guys, first of all, which door? I don't know that. I have to use the free camera here. Now, which door it even open? Okay, it's Atlantis, the space shuttle. For those who there's no door here, which is open. inside the aircraft. Is this the landing gear bay? Nothing. Okay, right here. Nothing. Anything outside? Guys, please tell me where the hell you opened the door. Okay. I mean, there might be a door. I don't know. Okay. Did we close the engines? Okay. Let's start. Oh. Well, this thing is so heavy, okay. Please, oh god. Oh no. No. Okay, MD-11 made it somehow. But oh no. No! Sorry guys, sorry, don't be angry. Okay. Oh! Pull up. So we are starting. Start. No. Pull up. This is how I see. This is recording my audio right now. Okay. At least we somehow took off. That's it for today's video. So thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's see if this can climb. Wait, it went over speed. Okay, this thing is actually good. Okay, and bye. See you next time. See ya.